Hello everyone. Welcome to my channel. We all go into the MovieRulz website as soon as we want to see any new movie. Ever wondered, who owns the MovieRulz website? Is it legal to watch a movie on the MovieRulz website? Why are the police not able to arrest the MovieRulz owners? Where do they get those movies from? Do they benefit from showing us movies for free? I will answer all of these for you in this video. Let's start our show. Question number 1. Who owns the MovieRulz website? MovieRulz website owners are all in an anonymous location. Certainly not in India. They do all the dander from abroad. The MovieRulz website has more than one owner. That is why their network is so vast. Till now no one knows who they are, where they are. Question number 2. Is it legal to watch a movie on the MovieRulz website? It is completely illegal to watch or to upload movies in MovieRulz website. The rules of India do not accept it. So if you watch a movie on MovieRulz, the police have full authority to arrest you if they see you. So don't do that again. Watch movies in theaters only. If you can't afford the ticket price, watch when it's telecasted on TV. Question number 3. Why are the police not able to arrest the MovieRulz owners? Did I tell you before that MovieRulz website owners are in an anonymous location? So tracing them is a very difficult task. If they are in India, then our police can catch them very easily. Police can only ban websites. Despite the ban, they change the name of the website and start uploading movies again. So there is no end to it. Question number 4. Where do they get those movies from? Movies prints are of two types. 1. Theater print. 2. HD print. MovieRulz website people go to small theaters in small towns and carry cameras in bags and secretly record the whole movie. Some people download illegal HD prints and upload them on their websites. Question number 4. Do they benefit from showing us movies for free? Yes, they will get benefited. Ever noticed that MovieRulz contains some pop-up ads during movie downloads? They paid a huge amount of money to place these pop-up ads on the MovieRulz website. This way MovieRulz website they make a lot of money. I hope you understand the things I have said so far. If you have any doubts, let me know in the comment box. Subscribe to the Preceptor channel. Thank you.